Hey, Eric Sider here, and in this video I'm going to be planting some potatoes that I bought from the store. Last year I shelled out 40 bucks for seed potatoes and it was a disaster. Now, I'm not saying it was the seed potatoes' fault, but I didn't really feel like spending the money and not getting a result, so I figured I haven't tried planting potatoes from the store. I know friends of mine have had plenty of success with it. Typically, everyone recommends you buy seed potatoes. They're going to be supposed to be better quality, and particularly if you want a specific type that you're not going to find in the store. But anyway, this was 10 bucks for two different types of potatoes. They're already started rooting in the tray here, so they need to go. And I'm going to be doing the spacing and depth from this book. This is usually my first port of call for maximum density of planting, and so they recommend 9 inches on centers with a 9-inch depth. So we got this whole bed. Let's get into it. All right, there we go. Potatoes are planted. Still got about a quarter to a third of this bed for other goodies. So anyway, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get some more potatoes than we planted. All right, new shirt designs in the store. Links below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.